Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reinstalling a wig I got from TikTok shop last year or 2 years ago. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This is the wig, you guys. I love the color of it. It is a 13 by 4, 24 inches, you guys. Based on how it looks like you can wear it in a glueless wig, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just going to show y'all how it looks. Use hair clips to pin the hair going to the back so you can start working on this lace. I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9. Spread it out with my fingers. Now blow dry it on hot city so it can get tacky. As you can see, it means it's tacky. Now I'm going to apply another layer of the Kiss Lace Bond Spray because I want this to be at least 2 layers so my wig can be stuck like glue. Now that it's tacky, you want to go ahead and lay the lace down in sections. When you lay the lace down in sections, use your comb and push the lace into your skin so it can be way easier and laid and not lifting at all.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't.
Like, the lace is already giving melted before you even actually melt the lace down and add your makeup, which is going to be a good install. That is how you know that this wig is about to eat, because of a good lace. Your lace still lifting, it is not a crime to lay it back down, you guys, and blow dry it on cold sitting. Once it's laid down, push all the baby hairs out of the way because that is way too much, and I don't want my lace to be with hair inside of it. I want a clean install every single time. I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on top of the lace now, you guys, and I want to melt this lace at the same time, laying the edges of the lace down.
She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos.
Once your lace is laid down completely, use your melting band. You can blow dry it with the melting band on, but blow dry it on cold setting, you guys. This melting band is literally one of my favorite melting bands. It do not give you no ear pain at all, you guys. But once you remove the melting band, your lace should be giving scalp. Like, where is the lace? What did I say? You can't even see the lace. Your lace is laid and slayed. Use makeup foundation on the lace to blend in with your skin tone. Make sure you use the darker side. And then once you're done with your lace, the lace should be disappearing like magic. Like, where did the lace go? Add some makeup inside the part. You want to do a lighter side because this hair is colored. The Frontal Queen melting spray is the only melting spray that gives me a seamless melt without having to do a double melt. And as you can see, as soon as I applied it, the lace disappeared even more, you guys, which you want. Sometimes you want to use hot setting, which I'm going to do right now. And then later on, I'm going to do cold setting.
On that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole bitch with shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail ho.
Take your wax stick, and when you do this, it's going to literally sleek all the hair going to the back. And then you're going to take your hot comb. When you're hot combing, do it super slow so your wig can be flat, you guys. That is how you want your wig. As you can see, my wig is flat. This is Filmy Silkening Guard. Spray it on the hair. A little bit goes a long way. And then I'm going to take my flat iron and do the chase method. And this product is going to get your wig so straight, like bone straight, which is perfect, which I love this product, you guys. As you can see, the hair is already giving bone straight, fresh out the oven.
Shit, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent. You know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking. These hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe bitch with shell toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Gang glow, two-tone Cartier match with nails hoe. Gang glow, no competition, these bitches stay.
This is the final results. Y'all see how straight this hair has gotten, you guys? I love the red roots and then the widow's peak at the back, you guys. This hair is so soft, you guys. It's 100% human hair. It is a wig reinstall and it's giving brand new. Like, look at this hairline. I did not pluck this hairline, you guys. It came in the middle part, so I'm wearing it in the middle part, but I love this color. Minimum shedding out of this wig and barely any tangles. Stop throwing away your human hair wigs, especially when they're old. You can revamp your human hair wigs or your synthetic wigs. So look at this. It's giving brand new, fresh out of the pack.